Hey guys, Steve Heline here, and I've got my T76 Bobcat. Weighs about 11,000 pounds. I got about 1,000 pounds of tongue weight. So once again, we're at about 12,000 pounds. And it's pretty windy here today, so I'm going to put my camera over here. Well, I wanted to talk to you about Apex. It's a new product we have. It is the most powerful drill-powered S-handle replacement for your dual jack trailers. It also works on semi-trailers for your landing gear on semis. We've lifted as much as 50,000 pounds with this thing. Right here I'm going to demonstrate about 12,000 pounds, and hopefully you'll see my truck rise up too. Not only are we going to lift this, we're going to start to lift our truck up. But I'm in third gear. This is a DeWalt DCD 1007. It's the most powerful drill that DeWalt makes. Highly recommend this, only because it's a 3-speed and it's powerful. Hey, Milwaukee makes great products. They're 18-volt fuel. It has about 1,300 pounds of tongue weight, which is awesome. It's only a 2-speed, so the 3-speed does give you, faster raising and lowering. But I'm in third gear, and I'm lifting 12,000 pounds. Hopefully you can see, I don't know if you can see the truck move or not. But if we go to second gear, first gear, it'll do this all day long. It'll literally do 50,000 pounds of tongue weight. So we're coming out with a Apex. This is Apex with a longer handle and an extension, so we can fit underneath the semi-trailers. You can engage underneath the floor to hold that handle. But this is Apex for the dual jack setups. Go to third gear. One hand. So this motor is sealed. There's no grease fittings. It's maintenance free. You have a shear pin here. It's rated at 10,000 hours of runtime, but everything is sealed, self-lubricating, pretty much bulletproof. Now you do have some options, like you can move this spinner handle over to this side and just pull this pin, and then now you can do it by hand if you want. But it's just so convenient to do it, with the drill. Here's a closer look at it. Oh, there it is. And there's our shear pin. You got a quick pin, so you can take this off and use it on other trailers. But awesome product. Most powerful gearbox on the market. I mean, this thing weighs 11,000 pounds. 34-foot gooseneck. I could lift my truck off the ground, but I don't want to damage my airbags. But yeah, visit us at torquejack.com. This is called Apex Redline, and a little bit more money than the Pro, but some of the advantages are, you can do it from the side. Pro, you engage in the front, so we can accomplish, different placement opportunities. But great product. Please visit us and give us a shot at your business. Thank you.